Okay, let's see how dirty this pool deck is. The coping, it's got a really bad staining in it. And so does the coping, if you see below there. Alright, I got a bunch of weeds in all the joints. As you see along there, it's a bunch of mold mildew here. Let's go over here and take a look at how dirty these bricks are. Check them out. Call Pro, you already know. Under pressure power wash, 561-971-0235. We cover all of Palm Beach County. And the prices are not bad, so give us a call. Check it out. We take care of your property. Do a good job. Respect your property. Don't break anything. Don't kill any plants. Take a look at this over here. How dirty that is there. We're going to do this for free, obviously. All right. Getting ready. Check out the driveway. It's a little dirty. It's not that bad, I guess. Well, call Pro. You already know. 561-971-0235. Get her done, son.